This is a Pro Series 14 foot by 42 inch pool, has a skimmer. This is exactly the same pool as the Summer Wave in the same dimensions. They're both made by Poly Group. They just use two different names, so at least that's my understanding. You can go look at the Summer Wave. It's got the exact same frame and everything. It just says Summer Wave on it. Anyway, I bought these rubber hose adapters. It's 1.5 by 2 at Lowe's. They work great. I don't have to use the screw piece to screw it in there, but I did want to have a shutoff valve, which I just bought. This is part number 25010, so that when I want to disconnect and clean out this screen here, I have a way to shut off the water. What I had been doing is I took a piece of PVC pipe and a 2x2 clamp here, and you just take this off here, pull the screen out, and you can actually put this down over the top of that piece down there, and it'll actually stay out of the water like that, and it won't drain. I'm going to have to loosen this hose clamp back up. I was using it for something else a couple days ago, so I have to fix that. But when that's the right size, you can just slide it right over the little piece down there. As long as that's up, it won't drain, and you can do that. But I wanted to put a shutoff valve. Now I did want to talk to you guys. This valve is supposed to convert from 1.25 to the 2-inch screw-on, so you can use the screw-on. The problem with this is when I bought the adapter to remove the filter, they sell an adapter. I don't have the part number right now. I'll see if I can find it for you guys and list it in the video. But it has a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch at the bottom of this here, so I can use this fitting to put it on the 1/4 inch part, and then put this valve on to that, and then the hose. So that will work for this side. But on this side, this is already 1.5, and I don't think that that's going to work with this over here. Now I did order the other style. These are called B adapters, and they have two different style of B adapters. They both say they convert the 1.25 to 1.5. So I ordered the other one too. I don't know if just one's in the new style and one's an old style, but I ordered the other one too to see if it would work. This part number is 25009, and this is supposed to convert the 1.25 hose to the 2-inch screw-on. So I definitely will be able to use it for this side. I really like better, but this one here is part number 25009, and when you look them up, just look it up as a B adapter, and it gives you both options. But they're only good to convert from the 1.25 size to the threaded 2-inch. Now they say it's to convert from 1.25 to 1.5. Okay, I got that fitting on right here. Like I said, there's a 1.5 and a 1.25. That works fine. But anyway, this is kind of nice because it just makes it all, you know, screw on like it's supposed to, instead of having all these extra adapters. So there we go. And now I'm screwed in here. So that worked out nice for me. This one just, you know, has the two adapters, and that one has a clamp. So anyway, I think I'll probably just leave it like that. As you can see, I put this in here, so now I just pull it out. Now the water can go back in. And I'll go ahead over here and open this up, make sure I get all the air out of it. And there it is, unfiltered. There we go. So I guess these hoses are 1.5, but the threads on them are 2-inch. So. Anyway, all right. Hope that helps.